Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Deb. I am the owner and creator of Port City Slime and this YouTube channel. And if you want to see how I turn Marine Wife slimes, pink sugar pop into this, please stay tuned until the end of the video. So today we are going to make this slime, pink sugar pop, into something that is fun and usable and easy to play with again. As you can see from this slime, I pretty much destroyed it. It is now a putty, and if I had to guess, it's about maybe 3-4 ounces of slime now. I played with it so much when I got it. It was very creamy, very stretchable, holdable. It has foam beads. It has fake sprinkles in it, and I believe she makes her own. It is light pink. It is white glue based, and so today I'm going to make it usable again. I'm going to make it a full 6 ounce because this is what it is. And some of the things I will be using in today's video are some more foam beads. I will also be using these sprinkles by Happy Kawaii Supplies. I have a little bit of them, and I'm not going to use all of them, but I will use some of them. I have a scent that is very close to, I think, the pink sugar type of scent that she used. It's called Snow Fairy. This one's from the Flaming Candle. I use different scents from all over the place, but Snow Fairy by the Flaming Candle. And so that's really all I have. I have some base that is already made up there, and so I'm going to be using that today to recreate this slime. Like always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, go find me on Instagram so we can be friends, and lastly, don't forget to leave a creative comment down below so you can be featured in the next video. I've been doing 1 comment per YouTube video now, so make sure it's really good so I can shout you out and get you noticed.